My name is DJ. Hi.
Hello.
My name is DJ.
Your name's CJ? What else?
We're going to play DJ hair.
No, we're gonna do mommy's hair. You got a haircut. No more doing your hair.
Oil in my hair. Oil DJ hair.
Yeah, you can oil your scalp. Say, let's oil CJ's scalp.
That oil.
That's oil. Mommy made it.
From DJ. That oil is dirty, Mama.
It's stinky. No, it don't. It smells good.
It smells really tasty.
It smells really good.
It smells really tasty, Mama.
Really stinky.
Yeah.
No, it don't.
Yeah.
Is that Iron Man?
Yeah. Not so bad. Mama, I made so bad.
Let's get into doing my leave out. Got some leave-in conditioner in there.
Yeah! And my name is DJ.
Your name CJ?
Yeah.
Get over there. I love middle part.
My name is DJ.
Your name is CJ?
Yeah.
What's your whole name?
Dory DJ Stopper.
Yes.
That's my name.
That is your name.
Wait.
How old are you?
G
You 3?
I C O and birthday.
No, 3.
I'm birthday.
You 14.
Yeah.
You 3. Like this. Say I 3.
I'm birthday.
Okay. That's not 14, that's 5. Edges out. What's up, y'all? Vacay back. I gave y'all a little ASMR. Okay, so today we are doing a twist out so I can match my leave out to some bundles that I have. Well, they're not bundles, they're hair from it's hair from ISEE wigs. It was a full lace front wig, but y'all know me, I don't wear lace front and I just don't know how to rock it for real. So I turned it into a U-part wig and I made a video on that, and this is how I'm going to match my texture to the hair texture. So I'm going in and I'm doing 2-strand twists all over my head. Well, I'm doing the front 2 with laying down, with the other 2 will be the back will be individual. Then going on with these no heat rollers so my ends can match up too.
No,
I think you said you're gonna bring them get them today. Yeah.
triangle. And I'm gonna draw an even bigger triangle.
Where'd you go?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, we back with another hair video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how hair straight to the I just add to the next braid. Then I had pre-cut my wig because y'all was so excited, so I'll cut a line down the middle. I didn't know to honestly just see where the clip-ins was gonna have to get sewn into needle, and y'all, I went ahead and got to threading them clips on. I was so excited, y'all. Like, I wanted to sew in, and I actually was gonna sew this hair in, but then my little sister was like, why don't you make it a U-part wig? So Like, my mind was blown, y'all. I had this wig in my closet for over a year, and I use it to make videos all the time. But I'm going to use this wig so much more now that it's a U-part wig, and I feel comfortable with my edges and my front out. So, boom. It had enough room for 2 clips. Like, look how it blended. Like, my natural hair curl, I twisted my hair in 2-strand twists. And when I have it in my hair, I'm probably going to twist it with the hair so it can blend like completely. But look at the back, like look at that. Even if somebody wants to touch it, it looked like mine. It looks so natural, y'all. This was such a quick style. This was like turning nothing into something, because really I had nothing. And I've been brushing my hair every day, y'all. I needed a break. Like, I honestly loved it. It made my hair soft. But your girl is a mom, a single mom at that, a business owner, and a content creator on accident. So I got to make it work for me, okay? I got to make it work with my life. And I'm really open to showing y'all different videos. Like, let me know what else y'all want to see. I know I need to do my business vlog. That's coming really soon. I promise y'all. Thank you for watching.
So, they're out here.
Don't touch it. Don't take it off. You see?
Oh, do me a little bit. Do me a little bit.
2 minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Why you not ready to go to bed now? It's late. Went to my doctor. He gave me a leave of absence, y'all. Okay, I was like, I just need a leave of absence. And I'm so excited. I think what I didn't want to do. So years on the line, I ended up working for Peloton as an operations manager in Southfield, Michigan. And I was doing that for a couple years. And then I started learning about e-commerce, and I was like, whoa, like I really want to do this. So COVID happened, and I kind of stepped away from my job because they were trying to fire me anyway because it was hating Black women in leadership, you know. So I kind of stepped in my job